In order to use the child locks, we'll need the key. So if you've got the key fob, you can need to get the physical key out of it. So you see that small lever over there? You press on that, right? And then pull the key out. Now if you get the physical key out, open the rear door. We're going to start with the left one. Now zoom in right there. That's it. That's how we toggle the child lock on and off. See there? There's even a small symbol on it. Unlock and lock. Right now it's aligned with unlock, and we're going to lock it. So get the key, get it in the slot over there, the white slot, twist it just like that, and now it's locked. See that? Now it's aligned with the lock position. Just to confirm it's locked, let's go inside the car. Try opening up the door from inside now. See, no matter what I do, I cannot open. I unlock it, I lock it. I just cannot open it. The only way I can open the door now is from the outside. Right? So let's go ahead and open the door from outside. Let's switch the child lock position to unlock now. That's it. Now it's in unlock position. Confirmed. Let's go inside and try opening up the door now. If I lock it, obviously I cannot open it because it's locked. If I unlock this, try opening. Yeah, now I can open it. Let's move on to the right side door. Exact same process, same location, except that this time around you have to twist it left as opposed to twisting it right on the other door. That's it. See, now it's in lock position, and now it's in unlock position, and that's pretty much it.